Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we will learn how to unlock our inner confidence. Let's dive in. Ever wonder what real confidence is? It's not arrogance. It's simply believing in your abilities and knowing your value. Here's the secret. Confidence changes everything. It makes you a better communicator, boost performance, build resilience, and strengthen leadership. Think, confidence means being extroverted or fearless? Wrong. Confidence is a skill anyone can build, even if you feel afraid. Do you often doubt yourself, avoid challenges, or fear judgment? These are clear signs of low confidence, but they can be changed. Confidence starts inside. Accept yourself, focus on strength, set small goals, and stop comparing your journey to others. If you want a roadmap, replace negative thoughts with positive. Eat small wins and celebrate every win, not just build confidence. Confidence grows with habits. Write down wins, speak clearly, stand tall, wear what makes you feel good, and stay around supportive people. Remember, even great leaders once doubted themselves. They turn fear into fuel and build confidence step by step. If you are ready to begin your counseling journey or simply want to learn more, there are several easy ways to connect with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram. No matter where you are in your journey, support is just a click away.